throw this at you?
No, I'm filming you. Stop.
Can I throw it at you?
Mm-mm.
Why? I'll throw it. I'll throw it at you.
You having fun, Bree?
Uh-huh. I'm gonna make a snowman.
Daddy's on his way home too, guys.
So, look,
Y'all gonna wave at the camera? What's today's date?
Hey, Mommy. Hey, Daddy. Hey, Sissy. And hey, Bryce.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Can we eat the ice?
No, it's dirty, because dogs poop in the grass, and then it's just water from the poop on the grass.
Mason!
Don't throw it at me. Get out of the street. Stop. Act like I'm not here. I'm just saving this moment for you guys. So when you're older, you can look back at this and remember.
Come here, Mason, and take this like a man.
Bree, put your hat on and pull your hat down on your ears, please.
Oh, you guys want to play baseball in the snow? Why am I getting jumps? Okay, I'm a man. Come here, Bryce. Cheaters. I got my right one. You're on my team, Bryce. Retreat back to the base.
Hi, Bryce. Don't throw it at me. I'm trying to film you. How mean. Don't. It's so mean.
Whoa! Mommy, watch.
Get out of the street.